Welcome to this short promo for UAS for Public Safety. My name is Assistant Chief Scott Malakar. I am in charge of the Lake County Public Safety UAS unit in Lake County, Ohio. This year at the FDIC, I would like to go over with you basic team development for public safety UAS, how to identify pilots, how to go about gaining public support and selling your program to the political leaders within your realm. Once you do that, then the real fun begins. Educating yourself as to the laws and regulations that govern flying UAS in the public airspace can be confusing, and I hope to dispel some of the myths and notions associated with the legalities for flying in the national airspace and the requirements of FAA 107, and also we'll discuss COAs. In addition to that, we're going to look at different ways to train your teams. There's in-house, of course, training and external training that's available from a variety of different sources, and they seem to grow every day. We're going to discuss what's best for your department and fits the best of your needs. Going forward, we're going to look at aircraft selection, equipment, and the things that you should be looking at when you're determining what type of hardware you are able to afford and what are going to give you the most bang for your buck. Along with that, we're going to talk about the ways that UAS can be used. One of the most common questions that I always seem to get is, well, geez, that's kind of cool. It looks like a toy. And we're going to discuss educating people and all of the uses that this new technology affords us. It's certainly a disruptive technology, but it certainly has the capability to change the face of the way that we respond to emergencies, and most importantly, the situational awareness and safety that we can provide to the responders on the ground. We're also going to talk about combined UAS teams with police and fire, which our team is one of. And then we're going to take a look at a variety of different incidents that we have gone on and lessons learned from that, and also look to the crowd, and as I know many people already have started programs to gain their valuable insight and knowledge. Truly, the benefit is sharing with each other. This is a brand new field, and the experiences that we share with the missions that we try, where our successes are, where our failures are, help us write the book going forward on how this technology will be used in the fire service and in emergency response. Lastly, what we're going to look at is all of the development surrounding UAS, and most importantly probably is the hardware and software developments. There's a lot of very, very cool software programs coming up that add tons of situational awareness, where we can layer our GIS mapping, identify our personnel, overlay our pre-plans directly onto a live feed that can be streamed back to a command center. All of this is currently in development. Some of it we've tested. We'll discuss all of that during this session. Lastly, we're going to hopefully have a very good, vigorous, kind of an open forum discussion, pull from people in the crowd, and learn from everybody's experiences, and most importantly, answer all the questions you have, so when you leave there, you have a better understanding for how to develop a program and going forward, and if you already have a program in place, some improvements that you can share with your team members. So join us at FDIC 2019. Look forward to seeing you all there, and thank you for taking a minute of time to go over this important training topic.